Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. This steamed cabbage, I'm going to show you how to cook. It is so delicious, you will forget about meat. Here's a list of the ingredients I'm going to use. Diced carrot, onion, garlic, thyme, and here I have a blend of all-purpose seasoning which I've made up. So next up, I'll be cutting these into wedges, and that's personal preference. When I said wedges, I'll be doing it like this to leave it on. This is a style I get from my mom, so I want them like this. If you notice, the stalk is still on it. So I want to get probably about 5 out of that. So with these, I'm just going to lightly season them. I'm going to go on each side. So next up, we're going to fry off these vegetables. We're going to season them with an all-purpose season. So next up, we're going to get our cast iron pan. We're going to put a bit of seasoning down. We're going to use some of the seasoning we use just cooked off. We're going to put them some at the bottom of this. Next up, we're going to put our cabbage down in. So I'm going to try to fit them in properly because they're going to shrink anyway. Next up, the rest of our garnish we're going to put over this. Next up, we're going to get a bit of vegetable stock. We're going to pour it all over. We're going to add some butter over this. And we're going to pop our lid on. And we're going to let him cook for probably about 40 minutes to 30 minutes. So now I'm just checking on it and see how it's doing.